and this is a quick walkthrough of a small basement bathroom. We are below the grade here, and it was quite a fun situation with this block wall, which actually created a nice ledge detail for our shower. We played with a glass mosaic as a little feature and use it on a backsplash on this little vanity here. Fun times with the glass tiles. Yeah, this is such a small room. I have to back up all the way into the shower just to capture that. But anyways, it was actually turned out to be a full gut project because of so many problems we uncovered, but here we go. This is the whole thing. And actually, yeah, nice when you are thinking about the glass enclosure. The sliding door costs the same as the hinged one, and you don't need a room for things to come in and out. And this is a very reliable rolling system, except this one squeaks just a touch, and there's a little threshold to holding the water in. But yes, nice space saving feature which we needed in this small bathroom. Thank you for watching.